Hop. Kameto, il a joué, ça pue la merde. Mais je connais pas Kameto. Enfin, si, je connais Kameto, mais j'ai pas regardé, moi. Il y a Iden à droite, j'avoue. Bon, allez, c'est parti, les gars. C'est bon, il y a du français. Ouais, c'est bon, il y a du français. Je vous mets les sous-titres, hein, parce que vous êtes un peu... Hop. Ah, il y a un livre de conseils et tout. Oh là là. Nique la drague. Ouais, mais attends, nous on a besoin de conseils. C'est tôt. On dirait un turc pakistanais. Arrête. T'es jaloux, c'est tout, c'est tout. Allez, c'est parti, les gars. Elle vient de descendre d'un yacht, mais cette mannequin est bien trop sexy. À toi de choisir. Bute un numéro, du sexe ou tue tes ennemis. Pourquoi tue tes ennemis? Putain, c'est fort. Arrête, c'est un jeu de fou, c'est tout. C'est pas parce que t'aimes pas que ça y est, c'est de la merde. Allez, c'est parti, les gars. C'est parti. Je veux maximum de participation, là. Je veux la max de participation. Ah, merde. Et pourquoi il y a un tank? Ah, c'est trop fort. Désolé, mais c'est trop fort. Pourquoi il y a un tank?
Arthur, I'm hungry, man. Let's go to the restaurant.
Mais genre... Ah, non mais par contre, c'est tôt. C'est un patron, il arrive en tank. Il arrive en putain de tank. Tank pour t'enculer. Ça y est, ça commence. Attendez, il faut que je baisse le son parce que moi c'est fort.
Arthur,
Attendez.
we fucked up the grass again, dude.
On va encore défoncer l'herbe. Ah, tu m'étonnes. C'est pas la seule chose qu'on veut défoncer en tout cas. Putain, il arrive en moque. Putain, tank mocassin. Alors ça c'est le combo. Non mais tank mocassin, les gars. Laissez tomber. Il y a rien de mieux que le combo tank mocassin. Ce patron, il bouffe des kumquats. Au calme. Derrière le jeu d'acteur. Ah, c'est la bonasse. Bonjour. Putain, ils se sont repérés à 300 mètres là. Lui, c'est œil de faucon. Hein. On dirait plus belle la vie. Ah, j'espère qu'il y a des vrais choix. Il est hideux. Ah bah attends, il a des veuches. Hein. Il a des gros veuches. Ouh. Putain, il va avoir les tétons qui crament là bientôt. Voilà, ça change de FM. Ah bah c'est sûr que ça change de FM. Ah, premier choix. Premier choix. Alors, comment l'approcher? Contempler ses yeux tout en agitant le doigt comme si c'était un pénis. Comment tu fais pour pas kiffer ce jeu, c'est tôt? Attirer son attention sans lui parler. Lui dire qu'elle a attiré ton attention et que tu veux lui parler quelques minutes. Ne pas t'approcher d'elle. Utiliser le déclencheur de conversation génial conseillé par un youtubeur. Le A, forcément. Faut toucher le cul de la vieille pour gagner. Le A, forcément. Mais je pense que c'est pas ça. Non, attendez, parce que là, les gars, il faut quand même qu'on puisse lui parler. Pas direct qu'on lui montre notre pénis. Il faut quand même qu'on puisse lui parler. Moi, je dirais C. C'est elle qui approche ou nique. Alors, pour Seto, c'est le B. Tu peux retry. Ah, je peux retry. Moi, je dirais C. Attendez, attendez, on va bouger la cam parce que là, la cam, elle sert à rien. Elle est chiante ici. Tac. Voilà. Moi, je dirais C. Hein. En vrai, la vraie, c'est C. Moi, je suis Pépé, le roi de la drague. On va dire C, parce qu'il faut s'approcher. Après, pourquoi j'ai plus de son? Ah. C'est comme ça qu'il attire son attention, lui. Ah oui. Tu lui montres des deux doigts comme ça. Et c'est ok. Et
Hey.
tu peux t'asseoir avec
Listen,
elle.
I was just sitting there,
Putain, c'est des vrais conseils.
saw
Hein.
you, and you caught my eye, so
Oh.
I thought I'd come and say hi. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm fine.
That's good to hear.
Coming for a spot of lunch.
Ah, lovely.
Non mais genre une française,
This
elle
is
te
a
casse
nice
la
way to
gueule là.
start because if you catch her attention before you actually walk up, she has a chance to kind of get used to the fact that you're going to be talking to her. And if you kind of just walk up and she hasn't noticed you, it's a bit of a surprise when you suddenly start talking.
Non mais c'est
So
quoi ces
it's a
conseils là?
better way when you can do it.
Il va claquer des jongles. Faut claquer des...
Ça,
Non mais
Richard.
attends,
Hi,
on va
I'm
rigoler, mais
Lucy.
d'abord
Ah, Lucy,
il fallait
that's
s'asseoir à la
Charlotte,
table.
Yes, it is.
Ah,
Yeah.
lovely to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Vous voulez passer commande? Ah. Je prendrai une part de gâteau et la jeune fille prendra ma bite. Oh putain. Commander un thé, une part de gâteau, un shot pour l'assurance et quelque chose pour elle. Dire eh bébé comme d'habitude. Lui demander de ne pas te déranger au beau milieu d'une conversation importante. Il n'y a rien de bien sur ce menu. Retournons chez moi avec mon tank. Là, ah Jean-Pierre. Allez,
Yeah, I'll have a slice of the cherry
une
cake.
part de gâteau à la
For the
cerise.
lady,
Et la dame va...
she's
goûter
gonna
ma
be
bite.
eating my dick. Yeah. What?
Are you
Cherry
are you
cake?
for real? You
You don't-
absolute pervert.
You don't like dicks?
I like dicks, but I definitely don't like
Yeah, I
your
knew
dick.
you liked it.
I really,
Babe,
really
come
don't.
on.
Can you
You
just
haven't
get
seen
off?
it?
No, I really don't want to see your dick ever.
Not
You
now,
are
but
disgusting.
somewhere.
Look at your smirk. You're actually just like a slimy
not a
pervert.
smurf.
Can you get off my table?
Yeah, yeah.
Just go. Shoot.
There's
Shoot.
people-
Mais t'aimes pas les
Get
bites?
away,
These
pervert.
people know
Come
me,
on,
so-
come on, off, off.
Ah, là, on va avoir le conseil. Bah non, mec. Franchement, lui proposer ta bite, c'est très mauvaise idée. C'est quoi
An
ça?
unusual order, also wrong, yeah?
Yes, very wrong.
Ah, c'est pas la bonne. Ouais. Proposons-lui de retourner chez moi. On fait ça. Hein.
Yeah, hang on a second.
You
Give
don't
me-
like
give me a look,
dicks?
see there?
Okay.
Won't be long. You know what? This menu's fucking shit, man. Let's go back to my house.
C'est quoi, c'est de la merde?
Got nice food.
Oh,
Yeah?
Richard,
Yeah.
I've got an even better idea.
I
Ah
doubt
merde,
it,
je croyais que ça
but-
avait marché,
Well,
putain.
you can doubt all you want because that's the kind of thing you do, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
Doubt, put people down. How about
You wanna
I
go
go
down?
back to my
Go
house, you
with me.
twat?
With me. Tu peux toutes les faire.
Little
Il y a
early
Laël
for
qui est
the
arrivé.
invitation
Ah
to the
putain,
Yeah,
Laël,
and
bienvenue
a little
gros.
bit rude as well.
house. Pretty rude.
Ah merde, c'est pas ça. Bon, bah alors on lui dit de pas nous déranger à cette vieille pute.
Listen, babe, can you leave us alone for a minute? We're in an important conversation. So just come back, come back.
Excuse me,
come back later.
absolutely not.
What's that?
You don't speak to the waitress like that.
Why
That
not?
is
She's a
absolutely
waitress.
disgusting. Can you get off my table? Get off.
But she's serving.
Get off my table.
Right, calm down.
Just go away.
Right.
Leave my
Putain,
table.
elle est
That's
vénère, hein.
Disgusting.
On voit pas les sous-titres. Ah merde. Attendez. Ah, vous voyez pas à cause de ça? Attendez. Si je fais ça. Attendez. Hein. C'est géré par des professionnels. Si je fais ça, vous voyez là.
I don't like this. I always try to be very polite with staff in various establishments. And
I think
yeah,
it shows a lot
Merde.
about you if you're going to be rude to staff. Doesn't show much about your character.
why would she expect you to treat her well if you can't treat everyone?
Non mais bon,
True.
genre, il y a vraiment des gens qui répondent mal à ces questions-là. Ah, on va tenter celle-ci.
Oh, for me, the usual, please, babe. I mean, cherry cake and English
Ah, le
breakfast tea
bide.
with no milk,
Le
the
bide.
usual. And what would you like?
Yes, I'd like the chocolate cheesecake and a cup of tea. Thank you.
Thank you. I come here a lot, but
Yeah.
Ouais.
like,
I hate
babe, do you like being called?
I hate babe. I'm not even
But babe,
looking at
why?
you.
Babe?
Ugh.
Oh.
Sorry.
Ah, on a le bro qui veut qu'on le rappelle. Appelez Mahmoud. Franchement. Non, bah tu vois, on a avancé, c'est tôt. On a avancé. On va appeler Mahmoud. Franchement, on appelle le brother Mahmoud.
Lottie, I hate to do this, but I've got something really urgent. So it's lovely to meet you and all that, but I've got to go.
Right.
Bye.
Ah,
God,
qu'est-ce qu'elle
how
croyait
rude.
Elle a refusé notre bite.
Waitress?
Faut l'appeler, c'est un pote.
Hey, buddy, what's so urgent?
There is a YouTube convention.
Oh putain,
my friend,
Mahmoud.
And now is your chance.
Ooh, who's there exactly?
The vice journalists,
Great.
Betty Jack,
Awesome. Perfect.
Foogie,
Ah, he's quite likable.
Tim Sterling,
Fucking prick.
Al Farad, friend without benefits.
I like those guys too.
There is also the Mini Minter.
Nah, he didn't answer my email, so whatever. Anyone else?
Bro Jared,
Let's fucking do this.
Putain, lui aussi
Lisa.
c'est un super acteur. Mahmoud c'était...
Bring me my special briefcase.
Putain... C'est le pilote du tank. Non mais c'est... Ça part totalement en couille. Je m'attendais pas à ça après un appel de Mahmoud.
Die, you fuckers.
Ah. C'est Boudère. Jeu terminé, tu as gagné. Ah bah nickel. Donc il fallait appeler Mahmoud. Ah merde. Oh non, on est obligé de tout refaire. Oh, bon, on va le faire sérieusement alors. Explorer 5%. On est obligé de tout regarder, putain. Ah non, c'est bon, on peut passer. Attends, on avait dit quoi là? Ah, ça change. Attirer son attention sans lui parler, c'est bon. Ça, c'est bon, on a vu.
This is a
Ta gueule.
So I'm Richard.
Alors, on va prendre le bon. Commander un thé, une part de gâteau et quelque chose.
So
Voilà.
do you already know what you would like?
I'm going to be naughty today. I'm going to go for
La
the
bite.
chocolate
Mais non, on l'a déjà
Very
fait la
nice.
bite.
and a lovely cup of
Je suis
tea.
sûr, il y en a d'autres après.
Okay, and I'm gonna have the cherry
C'est pas
cake,
obli-
please,
enfin,
and
c'est obligé
English
que,
breakfast tea,
qu'il y en ait
but no
après.
milk. Thank you.
Parce que genre, c'est le premier dialogue et on peut déjà proposer la bite. À mon avis, il y en a d'autres. hein.
Is the latest or earliest time that I can have champagne?
Oh.
I don't know, that's a question.
But if a guy came to sit with you, you wouldn't ask him to buy you champagne.
No, but if he offered me a glass of champagne at 5:30 in the evening, that's quite romantic. Or
Yeah.
just a straight espresso.
Donc genre tu peux lui offrir du champagne et elle va pas penser que c'est pour la ken. Genre c'est bon, c'est ok. Oh, il m'a offert du champagne et après 17h30 et j'ai grave kiffé. Si lui la ken, je suis jaloux. Ah, attendez, bon, on va laisser de côté
Sorry about that,
le
just
frérot
someone
parce
messaging me,
que
let
parce
me
qu'après
put
on
that
fait tout
on
péter avec le
silent.
frérot.
I never do that. I never have my phone on when I'm talking to someone.
No, oh, it's understandable.
Glousse. Putain,
You know
quelle
what?
vieille
It's such a lovely
tâche.
day, and you're dressed amazingly. It's all summery, but it's got something to it, like a real interesting style you have.
Thank
Very
you.
nice.
It's really nice of you to say.
Well, it's true.
Appelle-moi urgent et tu
what do
l'appelles
you
pas.
do?
Eh.
I'd like to know more about Richard.
Les meufs avant les bros. Alors. Je suis un mumble rappeur. Je travaille pour une entreprise pharmaceutique et je fais des vidéos YouTube. Vérité. Bon, j'imagine que la bonne réponse est celle-là. Je fais des merveilles au lit. Je suis responsable marketing, je fais des vidéos YouTube et j'adore la poésie. Lui parler de la signification des bagues selon les doigts où elles sont portées. Ah ça, ils kiffent bien les meufs, ça. J'étais sûr que vous diriez F. Ah, Seto il dit D. Ment lui. Bah, j'adore la poésie, ça fait quand même ça fait quand même griller, ça fait le gars qui baratine. Tu sais, c'est pas logique. C'est pas logique. Lui parler de la signification. Ça, je pense que ça marche. Ça, je pense que ça marche aussi, la vérité. Genre, ouais, j'assume qui je suis, machin. On n'a jamais dit F. Là, Aduminski, il a dit 500 €. Fais E. Allez, on tente E.
Well, never mind that. Hang on, I just noticed your ring. That's quite interesting. Let me see.
Yeah, it's my grandma's.
Oh, yeah. Well, do you know
Oh,
something?
les
There's
doigts
this
knacky.
interesting thing that I heard about where they say that whatever finger you wear the ring on says something about your personality.
Okay, so
wanna hear?
Tu lui
yeah,
touches
I
les
do.
mains.
Alright.
What do you think about me?
Well, the thumb, if you had the ring on that finger, the thumb is all connected to Greek mythology.
Qu'est-ce qu'il va dire
the
comme
thumb
connerie?
is Poseidon, and he was the only god that didn't live in Mount Olympus. So it's about strength and independence.
Okay.
So that's pretty interesting.
Ça fait gay un
The
peu de mettre
second
sa
finger
bague au pouce.
is Zeus.
Wow.
So obviously this is like power.
Les doigts de boucher à Auchan.
decisiveness, leader,
J'avoue, elle a des
all
doigts,
this
c'est il est knacky quoi.
Now, we do your one?
Yeah.
The next one is Dionysus. So it's the god of wine and fun and, you know, all
Oh,
of that
I
stuff.
like that. I really
Yeah.
like that. I
So-
am like a goddess
that you?
of fun. Yeah, I love being so
Ah bah
much fun,
putain,
and I
elle se
love
la pète
wine.
celle-là.
There you go. Oh, perfect then. So spot on. The next one, obviously, this is
Super
like
discret,
the
le
ring
micro qui se
finger,
balade,
get
là.
Married and stuff. So it's Aphrodite, obviously.
Oh,
so goddess of
love.
love and
Yeah, I like
all of that
that.
nice stuff. And then
J'avoue,
the
c'est un
final
gros
one,
mytho, putain.
Aries, war. So you know these guys that have pinky rings and sometimes they're a
Yeah.
little bit
Yeah,
you know,
fiery.
troublesome, fiery.
Yes. Yeah.
So that's that
Stubborn,
one.
actually.
So it worked for you then. Pretty
Yes.
interesting.
Yeah, I can definitely relate to that.
Yeah, and you asked me my job, right? So, yeah, I'm doing this pharmaceuticals thing, and then I also make YouTube videos as well.
Really?
Non mais
Yeah.
vidéo
Yeah.
YouTube pour draguer.
YouTube videos.
Yeah, you know, just all different kinds of videos. Put 'em on
Oh là tu
YouTube,
vas la
try and
ken
get
c'est sûr.
views,
Non mais vidéo YouTube
advertising,
pour
all
draguer
that
c'est pas
stuff.
ouf hein.
Wow. Very
Genre ça fait le gars qui fait des vidéos YouTube sur World of
This
Warcraft.
is one of those routines, and if she Googles it, she could find that it's a pick-up routine, which is not good. However, having said that, it's quite interesting. You're talking about her jewelry and doing a little cold read, and it's kind of interesting. It basically,
Where you
Yeah.
wear the rings on your
Yeah.
fingers.
do you wear a ring? None, never.
What does that say about me?
Don't think I learned
Bah que
that
t'es
one.
une merde.
Not on the
Ah, you
ball.
only say it if she has rings. There you go.
Okay.
Otherwise, you need a different routine.
She's going to find out
Palm
because everyone
reading.
Googles it.
Palm reading is what I would do.
What if you
Moi je joue à Fortnite, tu veux ken.
you say it wrong? Why can't you just be honest? Why can't guys just be honest?
Je joue à Pokémon
Hard.
Rouge.
Yeah.
Bah il a été honnête, il a dit pharmacie et vidéo
And
YouTube.
what do you do for work?
Oh well.
Vous noterez qu'elle lui a pas elle lui a pas demandé
But I do a
Obviously.
spot of
ah c'est quoi tes vidéos
Ah,
YouTube,
lovely.
je suis super
Yeah, something
intéressé, je vais
interesting I've
m'abonner.
noticed, I've met some actors, and they're always very interesting people because they're empathetic, and that's I think it's
Absolutely.
because when they're acting, they have to portray all these emotions, so they
Uh-huh.
just understand people and emotions. They can read
They
body
do.
language. And
Yeah, and that's what I love. I just love studying people and their nature, and it's a really good way to connect with people on a really deep level.
Putain,
that
elle est
not
chiante.
necessarily you can do in reality.
Ah c'est le genre de
and
meuf
actors,
relou
they
quoi.
think they're kind of extroverts that wouldn't connect with people, but because of this, you can really
You can
Get
feel
in
it,
there,
and
yeah.
you can get
Un
the
regard à la
vibe.
Mitroglou.
It's amazing.
excellent.
Il lui a dit d'activer la cloche.
Yeah, it is. It's nice to dip in and out, obviously.
Hey, do you recognise her in the car?
Yes, I do.
I think
Who is
I think
she?
it's that famous Russian model. What's her name? I don't know, but
God,
yeah,
she's beautiful, isn't she?
yeah, not bad.
Ah ouais, elle est
Wow.
bonne. Ah bah elle me fait signe de venir. Ah je réponds plus de rien là. Déjà j'arrête de la draguer, elle me saoule. Ah non elle est putain, elle est relou. Bon, normalement tu fais ça. Si tu veux mettre toutes les chances de ton côté, tu fais celle-là. Faut ken l'autre. Putain, vous êtes vraiment des chiens. Ah franchement,
I hope you don't mind. I'm just gonna get her autograph quick.
franchement t'es un 12 et elle c'est un 20 quoi.
Probably.
Yeah.
Ah ouais sûrement. Franchement t'es un vieux 12 et elle c'est un 20. Ah bah râteau. Ce chien. Il a tapé un vrai sprint. Il est en train de taper un vrai sprint. Ah, elle veut se faire soulever dans les bois, putain. Il va faire une syncope. Mais il est trop fort, ce gars. Putain. Lui dire que ta tati est à l'hôpital et qu'il doit vite s'y rendre. Être direct et lui dire qu'elle est superbe et que tu ne voulais pas manquer une occasion de la connaître. Commencer à se frotter contre la voiture. Lui dire qu'elle est mignonne mais baisable et que sa voiture est assez grande pour pouvoir baiser dedans. Non, la D, les gars, la D, elle est bien plus drôle. Elle est bien plus drôle que la C. Ça doit être drôle, le frottis. Bon, C ou D. Je prends celle qui a le plus de votes. Putain. Ce jeu est magnifique. Mais oui, c'est le meilleur jeu. Imagine-le se frotter. Bon, allez. Je pense qu'il y a plus de C. Il y a plus de C que de D. Ouais, mais Seto, il vote 15 fois. Seto, il vote 15 fois. Pour voir la cinématique. Allez, c'est parti. Il hyperventile en plus.
It's Mercedes.
Yes,
Red one.
obviously. What are you doing?
J'en peux plus, putain.
So immature.
Bon, du coup, je retourne avec la blonde. Ah, bon, bah, on prend la D, du coup.
Listen, it's a nice car.
Ah, c'est une belle voiture. Hein.
I know it, thank you.
SL350, yeah?
Yes, you're right.
You know what? You're beautiful. Your car's amazing. Let's fuck in the car.
Oh my god, you wanna
Yeah,
have
yeah.
sex in
Yeah,
the
babe,
car?
let's get
Then
it
get,
on. Let
get
me
in,
Yeah,
get
yeah.
in, get
Jump in, yeah?
You fucking crazy
Oh, you
bastard.
fucking bitch! All that
trouve-
cardio for nothing, man. Fucking hell. Big tease! I'll find you!
genre, il a couru, donc il doit baiser. C'est comme ça.
I mean, again, his
Franchement, frère, j'ai couru.
choice of phrases are
Au moins, fais tourner
awful.
un 1, quoi. Fais tourner un sein. Je sais pas, j'ai couru quand même. Bon, on tente. Non, on tente la tati. On tente la tati. On tente la tati.
Listen,
Alors qu'il devrait juste sauter. Ouais.
my auntie's in hospital and I need you to help drive me there. I need to be there fast. You got this
And
Mercedes.
what's the address? the
She's in the
hospital?
hospital. What one? Hospital. The auntie's hospital. You know that one?
L'hôpital
Hospital
pour
for aunties.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, mais rien que pour l'hôpital pour tante,
Auntie in hospital.
ah, tu le
I
laisses
haven't.
monter.
I've never heard of that.
Would it work?
Tu le laisses
more
monter.
importantly?
L'hôpital pour tantine.
That we
I'll
have
take that as a
Uber.
yes.
We have Uber.
Yeah.
Franchement,
You
tu
know,
le laisses monter.
Everyone's got Uber.
L'hosto pour tantine.
Take an Uber.
Bon. Ah, allez, on va lui dire ça. Bon, attends, Alex, il voulait depuis tout à l'heure qu'on dise qu'on fait semblant d'être un keuf.
Is this your car?
Yeah?
You got license, registration?
Why you ask?
I'm an undercover cop, actually. We've been hearing
Je suis un
reports
club,
about a girl
je suis
in
un
a
keuf
red
en civil avec
Mercedes
des mocs.
who's transporting drugs across the border. She's hiding them in her pussy, so I'm gonna need to check you. So if you'd like to get out of the car,
Do you
We
want
can
me
do
to
this.
show you something?
yeah, I do actually.
Yeah, I have something for you.
What you got?
See that?
You're also an undercover cop.
So now what you need to do?
We were rehearsing, so now I will just go and
Immediately.
see you in the precinct, yeah?
C'est un tueur. Il est trop fort, putain. Mais je m'y attends jamais. Je m'y attends jamais, putain. Allez, on lui dit qu'elle est super bonne.
Listen, I saw you in that place, and I just think you look amazing. I had to come and talk to you.
Thank you.
I didn't know I'd need to run 5 kilometers, but anyway, didn't want to miss the opportunity.
Ah putain, le sourire de violeur, quoi. Le sourire du
Cool,
viol.
that's the right option. Obviously, if you go to any great difficulty to talk to a woman, it's then strange to be really indirect. So, you know, if you had to cross the road or run through a crowd or run for, I don't know, 20 miles to speak to her.
Bon, vous avez retenu, les gars. Si vous courez 5 km, lui demandez pas de faire tourner un sein.
Anyway,
Ça marchera pas.
my name's Richard.
My name is Marina.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you doing today?
Fine, and you?
Tired, but
Why?
what do you think? I've run 5 miles or kilometers or something.
Really?
Yeah. Good
Good-
cardio.
Good cardio, good
It's
training.
a long way.
Yeah, but that's nice. It's a nice place here for running.
C'est aussi long que ma bite.
Yeah.
Putain, mais ce regard. Lui demander... Non, ça c'est pas bon. Lui dire qu'elle est ouverte et sympathique. Lui dire qu'elle ferait mieux marcher que de conduire. C'est important, je me serais frotté, moi. Ne pas se frotter au rétro, exactement. Eh mais c'est tôt. Toi, t'as pas sa classe. T'as pas sa classe naturelle. En fait, il faudrait que je mette le chat sur l'écran. Vous croyez pas, les gars? On va mettre le chat. Comment on fait? Attendez, je sais pas si ça fonctionne. Bon, on verra bien. Je crois que ça fonctionne pas. Ah si, ça marche. Vous y voyez quelque chose ou pas? Vous y voyez quelque chose ou pas, les gars? Non, parce que comme ça, je pourrais mettre la VOD sur YouTube. Ok, cool. Allez, c'est parti. On lui dit quoi? Oui, forcément, il y a toujours du décalage. Il y a forcément un décalage. MDR qu'elle sait pas. Mais calme-toi, Pépé. Bon, on lui dit quoi? Parce que là, il n'y a pas de réponse très marrante, là. Ah, celle-là, elle est peut-être drôle. Celle-là, elle est peut-être drôle. La D. La réponse D. Allez, la D.
Listen,
Parce que ça,
baby
ça
girl,
sous-entend
I just
qu'elle est,
noticed you're
qu'elle est
quite
grosse.
pale and a little bit chubby, so I think you should leave the car and walk.
That's
Get some
bullshit.
exercise and
I will
sun.
run over your foot.
You know what? If you do that, it would be very painful for you.
Ah ouais, bah les mocs, ça protège pas, hein. Ah non, il va pas nous faire voir son vieux yep, là. Putain, dégueulasse.
Dude, how could you?
Toisa, il est pas là. Bah ouais, il est pas là, Toisa, ce bouffon. Le numéro, je pense que c'est pas bon. le numéro, je pense que c'est pas bon. Mais on va tester. Au cas où, on sait jamais
Listen,
si elle est
darling,
open.
before we go any further,
You might not like me after we talk a little bit, so why don't you give me your number right now?
Franchement,
And then
après avoir
if you pick it
discuté
up,
avec
please
moi,
try
tu te
to
rendras
remember
compte que
Okay, maybe
je
I
suis
have
une
another
bite.
idea. You give me your number, okay?
Ah, all right.
Okay.
Okay, it's 291 67 07 92. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
You give me a call, yeah?
I will give you a call if I need someone to clean my car.
Oh no!
Thank you, thank you.
Mais t'as pas voulu que je me frotte tout à l'heure, elle est pas logique. Richard hurle et pleure de douleur. Pourquoi il y a plus le chat? Ah si, il y a le chat. C'est qu'il reste pas en fait. C'est bon.
It's pretty
J'avais pas
stupid.
compris.
I mean, normally ask for the number either when you've got loads of connection or when you need to go. Like,
Mais j'avais besoin de
literally
go.
have to go that second or
Et j'ai
two
encore
hours.
l'autre meuf,
Yeah.
la blondasse.
Otherwise, wait till you've got something in common.
Yeah, I agree.
Bon, lui dire qu'elle est ouverte et sympathique. On lui dit ça.
You know what? I've been chasing you for ages.
C'est la B.
but,
Tu t'es sûr que c'est la B?
You look really open and friendly, so
Thank you.
I think it might be alright. Is it right? You're a friendly person?
I believe
Ah, la
so.
question quoi.
Thank you.
This is cool because by saying that she's open and friendly, then in the minutes following this, she's
Je te trouve
likely
amical.
to
Est-ce que t'es
be more
amical?
Open and friendly because she's already agreed that she is.
And you're also complimenting her on her character and not necessarily how she looks, and this is always a very good option.
Marina, I've got an intuition about you immediately. Do you want to
Tell
hear
me.
it? I think that you're very tough.
Putain, c'est le mec, c'est un astrologue.
And so it's hard for people to get to know you.
Mitroglou de la drague.
that right?
Probably, yes.
Yeah.
Es-tu
But,
surtout ouverte?
With people that you're close to, your good friends, family, you're actually very warm and open. and kind.
Comme à peu près tous les gens.
You're
that right?
right. Yes, good intuition.
I can just feel it.
Marina Glous. Je lui ai demandé ce qu'elle fait le plus. Coucher avec des mecs ou lire des livres. Lui demander si elle est gentille ou méchante. Lui demander si elle l'aime dans la chatte ou dans le cul. Oh putain. Bon, bah, je sais ce que vous voulez, les gars. Hein, je sais. Bon, voilà, il y a que des dés.
I've got a great question.
J'ai une
Wonderful
super
question. You ready?
Yes.
Do you prefer it in the pussy or in the arse?
Oh, you're disgusting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready,
Il
babe?
est fier de lui en plus.
Yes,
Here I come.
I'm gonna drive.
You gonna drive?
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I'm
Let's go.
driving. Yeah.
Live fast, die young, bad girls do it right.
Normal question, surely, no?
No, not all right. Never, in fact.
Fuck's sake.
Il est trop fort, putain. Bon, alors, allez, on lui demande la A maintenant. C'est n'importe quoi. Ah, putain. Allez, on lui demande la A.
I got a great question. You ready? Okay, what is more numerous, the books you've read or the guys you've banged?
Books.
Comment
But
il,
I've read
comment il
some.
rigole,
1,000
putain.
books?
Yes,
God,
obviously
that is
more than you
boring.
read.
Yeah, I would never read books.
Je lis jamais.
Okay.
Ouais, je sais pas lire de toute façon. Je m'appelle Pépé.
Richard Bandler. Harry Potter.
Je m'appelle Pépé, je lis pas.
This is obviously wrong, but maybe not super bad. It's kind of funny, no?
It's wrong for a reason?
Yeah, and I've got a question for you, by the way, Charlotte.
Okay.
Do you read a lot of books?
Yes.
Cool.
Is that the end of your question?
Yeah.
Ah, ce mec est trop fort. Hein. Ce mec est trop fort. Je me frotte et je demande le num. Ah putain. Bon allez, on lui demande quoi? Lui demander si elle est du genre spontanée ou chiante, ça c'est pas la bonne réponse. Hein. Ça clairement c'est pas la bonne réponse. Si elle aime les chiens ou les chats.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Nice question.
Yeah.
I actually prefer cats. You know why? Because I have one. I don't like dogs at all.
Oh,
I
putain, la
believe
relou.
that people who have dogs in the house, they are really cruel and bad people.
Oh, ta
Actually,
gueule.
Yeah.
I'm a good person. That's why I have a cat. Cats are perfect. I like cuddling it. And he's so perfect. His name, you know his name? His name is Leo. And she really looks
Like a
like
lion.
real lion. Yes. And he probably he can hunt. Yeah, probably he can.
Ça se voit qu'il est il est saoulé, tu vois. Là, il est en train de se dire putain ce qu'il faut pas faire pour baiser quoi.
Ouais,
mon poil à moi aussi est très doux.
And to sleep with him, is the perfect. It's the best thing in my life to sleep with my cat. But when he gets into my bed, he's so warm. He's so friendly. Actually,
te frotter
he's
un
really
arbre.
friendly. You know what? What are you looking at? Is
Carry
the
on,
cat?
no, my
Cat
shoe-
there?
No, my shoes
Not
undone.
cat
Carry
there?
on, I'm listening.
Like,
I'm listening, I'm just
no,
tying
listen.
my
No,
shoes.
you can't listen to me when you're sitting there.
I can.
My cat, he's so perfect. But actually, I started thinking that dogs are also not so bad. Are you listening for me? You're not listening for me. No one's listening for me when I'm talking about cats and dogs. And well, that's the question: whom to have at home, the cat or a dog? Cat or dog? Cat or dog?
Oh la relou.
So here she just went off on one about cats. Had to get out of there.
She went off on one about cats.
Yeah. Disaster. Dude, I can't do both sides at once. It's either like there or... Alright, I'll do them both. Alright.
Ah mais t'as vu comment il est balèze, il a bouffé une armoire le mec.
That's it, yeah.
Tu peux pas faire les deux hein. C'est Zambo Anguissa putain. Bon, j'imagine que c'est la B mais on va se faire la E.
I've got a question, right? So I could intuit something, but now I've got to ask. Are you boring or spontaneous?
Spontaneous. Do
Yeah?
you believe there are people who will tell, I'm boring, yes.
No, but you were very, immediate that you're spontaneous. What's something very spontaneous that you've done?
Well, actually, I stopped here in the middle of the road.
Talk to me.
To a guy running after my car. That was spontaneous.
I guess it was, yeah.
This is the best possible option.
Ah merde,
and,
c'était la meilleure
You
option.
know, in this situation, it is a
Mais
very
genre tu peux pas lui dire franchement t'es gentil ou t'es relou.
Going somewhere right there and then, so her being spontaneous would be good, and most people would agree that they're spontaneous rather than being boring.
I don't think anyone would admit to being boring.
Are you spontaneous or boring?
I can be spontaneous, I think would be my answer to that one.
Excellent.
What have you been up to today?
Actually, I was in the gym.
Ouais bah oui forcément. Oui je sors de la salle de sport, j'ai fait des squats.
So you're
J'ai un
supermodel,
cul, il
so
est
you need to look like this in the
extrêmement
gym,
ferme.
Or you did it afterwards?
You mean my makeup?
Yeah, all the makeup, the sexy
What's wrong
dress.
with...
And makeup's great, but I just think if you're working out and you've got...
I was born like this. No, I'm kidding. I'm just have some other plans after my training.
Ah, so you're going somewhere super glamorous.
La
now.
question c'est est-ce qu'elle s'est lavée ou elle sent la transpi.
My cold press Tuesday.
Quel bar à jus de fruits? Je vais prendre un Uber, on se retrouve là-bas. Je peux venir avec toi. Dis quelque chose au sujet des jus de carotte. Du jus de chatte. J'y ai même pas cru. J'ai lu carotte. Je m'y attendais pas. Là, je m'y attendais pas à celui-là. J'ai 20 minutes, je paie les boissons et toi l'essence. Et si on s'asseyait simplement dans la voiture parce que femme au volant. Le jus de schneck. Ah putain. Bon bah le jus de
Cold pressed juice, yeah? Do you know what I like?
What?
I like cold pressed pussy juice.
Oh my God, we're so
You like it?
awful.
You're juicy now? You're getting juicy from me, babe? You're feeling juicy, nice and wet and juicy and...
Tu chutes là.
like juice?
No, don't even try it
Like
on me. I've
juices?
heard it doesn't work. It's disgusting.
But do you like juice in general?
Does it matter?
We want to know.
Yes, I like fresh apple juice.
Ah, okay.
Do you like juice?
Yeah,
Le gamin, il a 7 ans, j'avoue.
pineapple, pear, good mix.
Oh, mais j'en peux plus, putain. Allez, on va lui dire ça.
I love cold pressed juice. Tell you what, why don't we go?
Together?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
What?
Car, drive.
So what?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Oh, you know, like you're driving and then, oh, my nail's broken. Or I'm driving, oh, I got a text.
Oh,
Or
really?
I'm driving, oh, I love this song.
And how do you drive?
I don't have a car, but I'm sure I can do
You
it
don't
better
have
than
a
you.
car.
J'ai pas de voiture, mais j'ai un tank.
True man if you don't
Come on,
have a
get
car.
out. I'll drive us. What are you
Something
doing?
wrong.
Yeah, yeah, come on.
It's locked.
Babe, this is dangerous shit. Come on. I'm not joking. You can't be driving.
J'ai un tank.
Get out.
See there?
Yeah.
Putain.
Bye-bye.
Ah, elle m'a fait un vrai WAD.
You nearly crashed it in this... That way, babe. But wait for me. But also... Stay in the kitchen. And off the roads. Be safe and cook.
Be safe and
Don't
cook.
drive.
Franchement, la traduction française, elle est pas ouf des fois.
This is really not going to work for you.
And it's not true, right?
It's totally not true. I'm a fabulous driver.
J'ai 20 minutes, je paie les boissons et toi l'essence. Je pense qu'il faut lui dire ça. Je vais prendre un Uber. Comme ça, tu t'incrustes pas. Grave, bah, Be Safe and... alors que Be Safe and Cook, c'était super drôle, quoi. La traduction française, elle est vraiment... C'est pépé ça, j'ai pas de voiture, mais t'inquiète.
I love cold pressed juice. It's delicious.
Yeah, it is.
So listen, tell me which bar you're going to. I'll put it in Uber and I can meet you there.
Why don't you want to use Uber? I can take us both there.
Yeah, you drive me. All right.
Putain, ce tombeur avec ce sourire.
This is quite a good option. What you're waiting for, obviously, is for her to say, oh no, come with me. It might backfire, so I think one of the options is slightly better, but only just.
Yeah, and it also
Bah,
puts
t'imagines,
the
tu
ball
lui
in
dis,
her court,
ouais,
you
attends,
know,
je vais prendre un Uber et on se retrouve là-bas. Elle te dit, ouais, d'accord, ok.
Alright, shall we go?
Nique la blonde.
Okay, get in.
Don't mind if I do.
Eh, mais si on va boire au même endroit là,
This is nice.
si on va prendre un jus de chatte au même endroit.
So, which juice bar were you going to?
I was going to the new one in the
Ah, non,
center,
c'est
you know it? I don't remember the name.
I'm not sure, but you know what? There's a place, it's not too far, I think, but it's in a beautiful location. You might even say romantic. It's by the lake. Have you been to that one?
No, I have never been there.
Let me find it on
Do you
the
know
map.
the address? Because I don't know how to go there.
No, but if I put it in juice bar, lake juice or something. Yeah, there it is.
Lake Juice.
See this
Okay.
one. So you just go there and then there
Oh,
and then there.
really?
So
Not
it's-
far away.
yeah, it's not far.
Tu vas par là, par là, par là.
Okay,
Allez,
let's
démerde-toi.
try this one.
La blonde faisait trop la meuf. Bah, elle fait la meuf aussi, hein, celle-là. Ça tourne quand même autour du jus, bah, c'est sûr. Lui dire que tu vas apprendre à la connaître plus intimement. Demander à une amie par texto de t'appeler. Oh, la vieille technique. Après l'entraînement, rien de mieux qu'un massage. Tu savais que 93% des femmes se masturbent dans la douche?
You said you just been to the gym, right?
Right?
Yeah. That made me think of something because gyms have showers and it's a little bit dirty. But do you want to hear it? Not
Okay,
too
try.
dirty.
Try,
Okay.
not too dirty.
No. Did you know that 93% of women masturbate in the shower?
Mm-mm. I
No.
didn't know that.
And the other 7% sing in the shower. And do you know what song they sing?
Et celle qui chante en se masturbant.
No.
Ah, so you must be in the 93%.
Oh my nice joke, but not
It's
for
too
the
much.
first one.
Franchement, notez-la les gars parce qu'elle est trop bonne.
But kind of funny.
Elle est trop bonne.
No?
Franchement, notez-la les gars.
So this one is too sexual.
Yeah.
Do you know this one?
Yeah, I've just heard it, yeah.
It's like, did you know that 93% of women masturbate in the shower? Did you know?
I didn't know.
The other 7% sing. Do you know what song they sang?
What?
You don't know?
No.
Then you must be in the 93%. Boom.
Hilarious. No. I don't. Just literally a conversation killer there.
Bah non,
Just not charming.
franchement, bah si, elle est bonne. Va en inspi, grave. Grave. Non, franchement, elle est bonne. Et en plus, elle a toléré la blague. Ah ouais, on se met de la petite house là, c'est la musique de Toisa ça.
So where is it?
Je trouve ça drôle, c'est des rageuses. Mais bien sûr que c'est drôle.
I think it was here.
Really?
Yeah, it must have shut down. Now they've got this Coca-Cola place over there. Maybe.
Or maybe
know.
you planned this.
Eh oui. Lui dire que beaucoup de filles fantasment d'avoir des rapports dans des espaces publics. Non mais je comprends même pas pourquoi il reste avec lui déjà après la vanne sur la douche. C'est pas humain.
Well, I tell you what. This is a very beautiful place, as you see.
Yes.
And I know something 100%, right? 100% of girls,
100%.
maybe 200% of girls, love having sex outdoors in nature, especially if someone might be able to see. So I was thinking I'll just bend you over this thing.
Je peux peut-être te
Banging
prendre sur
you.
ce truc là-bas.
And then these grannies watching, kids, swans.
So Charlotte, going to need your help on this one. Obviously, it's a bit inappropriate, but is it factually accurate?
It's totally inappropriate.
But factually accurate?
Je veux pas savoir si c'est
In
approprié.
public places. Sorry, dude.
Des vieilles peuvent nous voir. J'avoue, après ce regard-là. Lui dire non et que tu es un mec honnête. Ou t'excuser. Bon, on va tenter les excuses. Franchement, ouais, je voulais te sauter, mais je suis désolé.
Sorry. It was here. I'm sorry. It was
And
somewhere
now?
here, and wasting your time, and you had to drive here and stuff. We should have gone to that one you said in the centre, right?
Probably, but time already spent.
Yeah. Anyway, it's quite nice. Got a little waterfall there, lake. See that swan?
Mm-hmm.
It's not so bad, right? Unless you're thirsty.
Admitting your mistakes is good. Going too far, it kind of you lose something if you do.
Donc
that.
il vaut mieux
Also,
mentir.
Please forgive me if it's
Yeah,
Franchement,
it's
les gars,
too
mentez
much.
plutôt.
Definitely too much.
You know, I used to come here when I was young, feed the ducks, the swans.
And
So-
now, when you are not young anymore,
Now I'm too busy, so
what are we gonna do?
what are we gonna do?
On peut faire une vidéo sur YouTube. On peut jouer à Minecraft. Essayer de la tripoter et dire que tu savais que c'était une salope dès que tu l'as vue. Et si on oubliait le bar à jus de fruits et qu'on allait plutôt en boire un chez moi. Lui demander si elle veut que tu la lèches. Ah là c'est, elle est bien aussi. Bon, de toute façon, on va faire les deux. On va faire les deux. On va commencer par là.
What shall we do? What shall we do?
Where are you leading?
What shall we do? Well, I just knew the moment I saw you that you're a dirty slut. I know exactly what to do
Don't
with
touch
you.
me.
I'm gonna touch you, babe.
Don't touch me.
I'm gonna touch you.
Don't touch me,
I'm
otherwise
gonna-
you.
Ah, le cri. Le cri.
Fucking. Where are you? Where are you, bitch?
Le coup d'yep.
Where are you? Come back, you bitch.
I mean,
Ah ouais, grave, c'est vrai qu'elle est
phone
flic
the
en plus.
police Immediately.
Bon, bah on tente l'AC.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. You tell me.
Well, I'll tell you what I can do for you. You ready for this, darling? I'm gonna go down on you. Right here, right now.
Darling, wait a second. I need to do
You
something
cleaning?
first.
It doesn't matter too much.
T'es propre.
You,
What's going on, babe? It's a gun.
turn back.
It's a gun. It's not a wet wipe. What do you mean turn?
You have 3 seconds to turn.
All right.
One,
Wait,
two,
wait.
three,
Ah,
otherwise
j'attendais une meilleure scène.
And
She's doing,
don't
darling?
turn back until I let you.
Hello? Can I turn? This is not comfortable, baby. Darling, I'm thirsty.
J'ai
You
soif.
there? What if I need
Je veux
toilet?
du jus de chatte.
Totally inappropriate, I would say.
Disgusting.
Ah bon. Ah, mais je crois que c'est terminé parce que celui-là, il est naze aussi.
I've got a radical idea.
Radical. Tell me.
Yeah. So get this. Juice bar's not here.
Obviously.
So, we could go to the Coca-Cola place, but no, we don't really want that. We could go and try and find another juice bar, but I tell you what, I've got a juice machine. I've got oranges, pineapples, maybe I've even got some mangoes. So why don't we go to my place and I'll make us some delicious juice. What do you say?
To your place? Mm-hmm. For juice.
Just the juice.
Well, okay.
N'importe quoi.
Excellent.
N'importe quoi. C'est quoi ça? C'est pas une
Nice one.
lingette.
Is the right option. Obviously, it is very bold.
N'importe quoi, ça marche
you've
pas comme
already got
ça,
some
putain.
Indicators of interest.
J'ai-
She does want juice. You got
Grave
juice.
Adou.
Why not?
Grave.
Look, there's nothing wrong with being bold and confident. That's nothing to, you know,
Il t'a
to
frayon
stop
fruit à
an
Carrefour.
attractive quality.
Non mais genre, ça peut pas marcher ça. Ça marche jamais.
One
hein.
of the things I like most in life is how
Les
you make
jus.
small decisions and it just changes
J'adore
your
les
life
jus, c'est pour ça que j'ai une
completely
machine. Des ananas et des mangues.
unexpected, but exciting way. Yeah, like today, how we met.
Yeah, I don't know where you're leading to, but I need to tell you.
Ah mais
I'm
ils ont,
coming to a house.
ils ont un peu
I'm just
parlé
coming
depuis,
to
c'est tout.
have Juice,
Juice,
not sex.
not sex.
Juice.
Tasty juice.
Anyway, you should remember that I just come out of my kickboxing class.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
C'est pas grave, j'adore me faire frapper. Je profite de toi pour avoir tes recettes de jus de fruits, rien de plus. Sois pas si présomptueuse. Lui dire que tu respectes sa décision, quelle qu'elle soit. Lui dire que si elle ne couche pas avec toi, elle reverra sa famille en morceaux. Essayer de la tripoter et dire que tu savais que c'était une salope. Bah on va retenter la D. Hein. On va retenter la D.
No, you got it all wrong. No, it's nothing like that. Of course, I wasn't trying to have sex with you. It's just, you know, I was like, I have juice in the house, juice machine, pineapples, you know.
That's all.
Yeah, I'm not, what do you think I am? A guy that just tries to have sex with girls? Why would I do that? Think about it, you know? That wouldn't make any sense.
Not the best option here. Could have been better.
Mais c'est pas ce que j'ai choisi.
You very thirsty? Mm-hmm. I'm super thirsty. Look, that juice is not going to cold press itself. Let's get out of here.
Okay, let's go.
J'ai mis ce clic. J'ai mis ce clic ou pas? Mais j'ai cliqué sur le bon pourtant, pourquoi ça a pas fait ce que j'ai décidé? La recette du pâté de crabe.
Thank you.
Putain, il a une vraie machine à jus.
Pineapple.
Wow, that's
Il a
nice.
pas les couilles.
Yeah,
Ah,
it's
mais
one of
c'est
my
nul.
favourites. Had it for the first time in Singapore.
I'm trying it for the first time now.
Oh, cool. Well, tell me what you think.
Really nice.
Non mais ça va, c'est du jus d'orange.
Yeah, when
Hein.
it's hot outside, it's perfect.
Il a ouvert une bouteille de pulco
What's your
derrière
favorite
là.
juice?
Actually, my favorite is tomato juice.
Tomato.
Yeah, it's
Like
good.
Bloody Mary, yeah, with vodka.
And after Bloody Mary, when you have some hangover, it's perfect tomato juice.
Ah, very nice. Cool. You know what's very good in tropical countries when they have all the different fruits. You can have dragon fruit, sour salt.
C'est la
all
première
kinds
fois
of
que je
amazing
goûte du jus
fruits.
d'orange.
So nice tropical fruits.
Yeah. Do you like to travel?
Lui poser des questions sur sa vie sexuelle. Utiliser la technique des 3 critères de Baxter. C'est quoi ça? Vous connaissez les gars ou pas? C'est quoi les critères de Baxter? Utiliser la méthode des mauvaises expériences sexuelles d'Adam Lyons. En savoir plus sur ses passions. Bon, normalement tu fais ça. Ou Baxter si Baxter c'est cool. Est-ce que vous savez ce que c'est Baxter là, les experts en drague? D. La réponse D. Vas-y, nos trolls, ça pue les choix. Ah, celle-là, elle est pas mal. J'ai Google, il n'y a rien dessus. Ah, ça existe pas, c'est une technique de drague en fait. Vas-y, on essaye. On essaye.
You know what, Marina?
Tell me.
Before I get to know someone deep inside, I have these 3 criteria. Do you want to hear them?
Yeah.
Alright, so the first one is I like a girl that doesn't have too much makeup.
Ah bah, c'est pas son
I
cas.
can
Hein.
see that today you're wearing a lot, but let's check if it's too much. So, if you kiss the back of my hand and it leaves a mark,
So then what?
well, I'll tell you. Go on.
Oh la salope! Ça marche, les trucs de Baxter là,
That's
ça
all
marche.
right, 'cause you look great, don't worry. Okay.
you.
The second one is that I like a girl with great smelling hair. So, let me check.
Putain, ça marche trop bien la technique de Baxter, les gars. Eh, notez ça aussi. Hein. Après le frottis sur la voiture.
Happily, is that your shampoo?
You're right.
Par contre, notez pas le nuance de pomme là, parce que c'est peut-être pas toutes les meufs qui ont des nuances de pomme.
She must have great taste in shoes. So let's have a look. Oh, nice. Yeah, suede. Very cool. Nice heel. Excellent. And do you know why that's important?
Why?
Because good taste in shoes always means good taste in underwear.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I believe that you're right.
Yeah, you have good taste in underwear?
Yes, I do.
Ah bah, elle voulait pas se faire baiser, mais finalement.
Nice one. You know, in this game and in the
Finalement,
original game, these routines were always the orange options because they're a little bit contrived and pre-planned. But this one works just so well that it had to be green. And we actually did this on live TV once, and Baxter did it and worked fantastically. And you know, that's there forever on a documentary.
grosse
film. So
technique.
this
Bah,
is
la technique est
one of
trop
the
bien,
routines that actually
trop
works
fort.
really well.
Well, I've heard it's quite.
C'est
good
la
to
zizou,
compliment
c'est la
someone on their
zizou de la
style.
drague.
Yeah.
It shows they're not, it shows you something about their character when you compliment someone on their style.
You said you do some, what was it, Thai boxing? Or
Now it was kickboxing.
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 You know what is it?
Yeah, that's
What's the
one.
difference between kickboxing and Thai box?
You're testing me. Okay, so Thai boxing is where you can
On peut donner des coups de coude, mon frère.
punch, but you can also elbow.
Right.
So it's awful, and knee and all of that stuff.
You wanna see real kickboxing?
Ah, mon gars, Baxter, c'est ton pote. Kickboxing, elle va l'enculer. Attends, on va voir ça.
Yeah,
You
I've
wanna
seen it.
try?
With you?
Yes.
In this dress?
Yes, in this dress.
In these heels?
In these heels.
Sounds great. Yeah, show me something.
Let's start.
T'inquiète, j'ai mes mocs. Eh, mais putain, j'ai laissé
I
mon
was
tank.
born ready.
J'ai laissé mon tank, je sais pas trop où là.
Okay.
La regarder dans les yeux pour connecter vos âmes. La sauver pour lui montrer ta virilité. La traiter plusieurs fois de pute pour la provoquer. Faire un petit combat et lui faire une prise de judo pour la jeter sur le canapé. La traiter plusieurs fois de pute. Non mais la traiter plusieurs fois de pute, c'est la meilleure réponse.
Start.
Yeah, let's do this. Come on, then.
So first, no,
I know what to do. I know what to do. Look. Watch this.
take a start.
You see that? That was 7 hits in
You
1
should
second.
take a starting position.
You
This
see?
is kind of crazy.
And now pretend gonna go here and you see?
No, that's not right.
Oh,
That's
show
not,
me what you got.
that's
Show me.
not sport.
Yeah, whatever, show
Starting
me.
position.
On s'en
I
fout.
saw it. Come on.
Ferme ta
No,
gueule.
Hit me.
You want me
Yeah, you're not
to hit
angry. I need to make you angry. Yeah, come on, you bitch. What you got? That's nothing. That's it. Come on.
you? Okay.
Just making you angry so you do it properly.
Yeah, I am angry
Come on,
already.
you thought, you slug. Come on. Come on, you whore. Hit me.
What you said?
Oh, ce jeu d'acteur, putain.
I'm so sorry. It was too
was
rude.
just-
Can I help you?
No, you've done enough. Just
So
get
sorry.
lost.
Tire-toi.
God.
Mais non, là tu peux en.
Are you okay?
Tu peux lui dire ah non, il faut que tu m'aides.
Are you gonna be okay?
Not today. So
Maybe next time?
La technique des petits pois.
God. I'm so sorry. Once again, I'm so sorry.
okay, done and get lost, please.
I'm so sorry.
Ah ouais, c'est vrai, Adou, il a un petit rencard demain. Bah là, il est nul, hein. Là, il est nul parce qu'il aurait pu emboîter le truc, genre ah non, il faut que tu te rattrapes, machin.
No.
Bon, vas-y, on lui fait un. Ou alors la regarder dans les yeux, ça peut marcher. Hein. Wata wata. Bah ouais, il aurait dû demander des soins, on est d'accord, c'est tôt. Je prends des conseils, Chai. Mais note, hein, note Adou, parce que là, t'as du lourd. Hein. On la regarde dans les yeux ou on fait un petit combat. Ah putain, vous voulez. Donc c'est tôt tout à l'heure, il me dit non, mais vas-y, fais les réponses bien là qu'on avance. Et là, il me dit des. Bon, allez, tout le monde a dit des.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, let me show you something.
You
You
know
ready?
what to do.
I know loads of stuff. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Hadouken! Yeah.
Hadouken, ah, la référence geek, hein.
Kickboxing.
It's not. Oh, maybe I don't really know then. But what I do know is.
Il aurait pu la serrer. Il aurait pu la serrer. Et il lui met un putain de coup de tête.
Flawless victory.
Il aurait pu se la faire. Et il lui met un méga coup de
I'm
boule.
gonna, you know, go out on a limb and say that it's probably a no-no for
Yeah,
many reasons.
yeah, I'm gonna agree with you there, surprisingly.
Legal, moral,
Yeah, there's a long list of reasons,
religious.
and hence it's red.
Bon, allez, on met laquelle? La A ou la B, les gars? La A ou la B? Je te mets mon gros doigt de pied, Caris. Mon gros doigt de pied. Allez, la A ou la B, les gars? Putain, quand je pense à Toisa qui a loupé ça. La A, la A, la A, la A. Allez, tout le monde veut la A.
So,
Ah, là, on va baiser. Hein. Là, on va baiser, les gars.
Ah, let's just try.
you're already ready?
Yeah.
Ah, il est relou, putain.
Kickboxing.
That's not perfect. Alright, let's try something
Non,
else.
mais en même
Ready?
temps, cette garde-là, c'est pas du kickboxing non plus, hein, je suis désolé. Hein.
And then.
Putain, comment il l'a soulevé en Y.
Cool, the right option in this case, but obviously do not try this at home. I'm highly trained in the arts martial, so I could do this effectively. But the point to mention is that, you know, to bridge that gap between the non-physical to the physical, you've got dancing, you've got massage, you've got just, you know, getting closer, a little play fighting, tiggling, all of this stuff does it. So.
Yeah, I would say watch where you're throwing her potentially if you're going to be making this a
Genre, tu la
regular
jettes pas dans la
occurrence.
poubelle dans la ruelle derrière chez toi, quoi.
Yeah, maybe not.
Can you fight? Do you do any?
Il a un très bon niveau en arts martiaux. genre, avec cette phrase, il est en train de te dire bon, toi, tu pues la chiasse, donc vu que t'es pas un martial man, tu peux pas le faire. Mais moi, je peux le faire.
This is mad. We're only just mad.
You know, that's true.
C'est juste un palo. Hein.
But I don't know about you, but to me,
Mais moi, je veux baiser.
everything just feels really right.
Allez, lui faire signer un contrat. Essayer de battre ton record de vitesse de baise. Lui dire que c'est trop cool, que vous êtes tous les deux sobres, qu'elle est spontanée et pas chiante. Non, il faut essayer de battre le record de vitesse de baise. Allez, le record de vitesse de baise.
What's that?
Yo, what's up, Twitch? Yep, we're nearly at that moment. I'm gonna go for it and beat my speed run. We're looking for 30 seconds
What are you doing?
in there. Bam, bam, bam.
Are you
Finished
kidding?
within 30 seconds. Guys, yeah, thanks for tuning in. Dr. Disrespect, big shout out. We're gonna beat
Dr.
your
Disrespect.
account today. Yeah,
Are
yeah,
you
babe.
kidding me?
Wait. Oh, $500.
I don't wanna be on your
Thank you
movie.
for the
That's a
pledge.
crazy
Thank you very much. Davey, 207.
Stop touching
No,
me.
30 seconds, babe. I've got my timer ready. It's the record. Well, like 31 seconds is the record. Wait for it. Ready? Wait, stop.
No, oh my God, what are you doing? Like, leave
Quick,
me.
babe. 3 seconds, 4 seconds.
Director.
So, guys, we'll try again
30, j'ai même pas enlevé ma
Next week.
ceinture.
tomorrow.
Pépé, il est trop gros.
Didn't work. And,
Pépé, il est trop
I'll be back
gros.
on Fortnite.
Sa ceinture, il met trop de temps à l'enlever. Putain, de baise, tu passes à Fortnite,
Something
t'es
was
pas bien.
wrong with this one. Definitely shouldn't live stream your sex, right?
You think?
I think it's against the terms and conditions.
Right.
Respecte. Donc, franchement, on peut lui dire que c'est trop cool, que vous êtes tous les deux sobres, qu'elle est spontanée et pas chiante. Il dort avec ses mocs. Mais bien sûr, c'est un patron, il dort avec les mocs, lui. Bien sûr qu'il dort avec les mocs. On va kiffer la vidéo YouTube sur ce jeu. Grave. Ah, là, j'ai record en plus. Hein. Je vais la poster dans la foulée une fois qu'on aura arrêté. Il faudra aller mettre des pouces et appuyer sur la cloche, les gars. Comme Seto disait tout à l'heure. Hein. Appuyer sur la cloche. Lui faire signer un contrat. Mais ça veut dire quoi, en gros, lui faire signer un contrat? Genre, c'est une joke en lui disant hey, vas-y, on signe le contrat que, genre, voilà, on reste ensemble, machin. Merde, j'en ai trop dit. Ah, debout. Je vais créer un compte YouTube pour toi. Merci Pépé, t'es un génie, t'es un vrai frérot. Bon, on lui dit quoi? Il va sortir des papiers, une mallette, etc. Mais Seto, il a déjà vu le jeu. N'empêche, Seto, il commence par nous dire non, mais ce jeu c'est de la merde, c'est horrible, il est nul, machin. Et il est là depuis tout à l'heure. Quand tu vas être connu, je vais être spotted, ça y est. Non, je vais pas être connu, les gars. La 1. Bon, allez.
I almost forgot. Look, we need to do this.
Ah, c'est pas une
contract
joke
here.
en fait.
Hang on a second, I'll explain everything, right?
What's that?
So what we've got this contract. Yeah, no, it's just the terms, right? So we need to get this consent. It's basically a consent form, just that you agree to perform various services. We've got normal sex. It's not got the anal sex. It's first. We don't need that in there. Blowjob is optional. That's clause 2, paragraph 3. Darling, we can't be sexy anymore. It's affirmative consent. So, you know, just to run through it with you, basically, is sex between 20 and 40 minutes. Don't worry about that. That's really good. Blowjob optional. Anal, like I said, is not in there. We've got a few different. We're going to start on the couch.
Ah, elle est quand même intéressée, hein.
Kitchen table. That's in
5
there.
pages.
Yeah, but don't worry, it's insured, so if anything breaks, you're covered.
No, I don't feel
And,
like signing it anymore, and I don't feel like sex having with you anymore.
Well, I understand it's not very sexy, darling, but these days, you know, we need to cover ourselves.
Okay,
We don't want.
I'll send you my lawyer, okay? Tomorrow he will come.
Il aurait pu ken 8000 fois. Exactement, putain.
Maybe it's too strict, maybe.
J'aime bien le mec qui se pose des questions une fois que ça a foiré.
Drawn up by the team
Ah,
of
peut-être trop
lawyers.
strict. Hein.
Just a big no-no.
Okay, so serious one, very serious. What do guys do about consent?
You know what? I think that if two people are naturally progressing to that point, you know, with honesty, with kindness, with respect
Une
for
brèche,
one
tu
another,
charges.
then
Ah
it's
bah,
gonna
Adou, il va
naturally
pas être là à
progress that
23h
progress. I
demain,
don't
je te le
think
dis.
you need
S'il a la moindre
necessarily a
brèche...
verbal exchange.
It would kill the tension a
No,
little
I think
bit.
it's not romantic.
But if she says no or is
Well, obviously, if she
uncomfortable
says no
at any
and it's
point,
uncomfortable, then that's a stop.
cool. There you go.
Attendez les gars, faut que j'aille pisser, moi, j'en peux plus. Je reviens. Je reviens, je vous laisse méditer à la dernière réponse. Hein. Faites un bon choix. Rappelle la blonde. Mets un coup pour moi, Adou. La moitié tu sors, ça c'est pour Pépé. Bon allez, c'est reparti.
You know what's cool? It's the daytime, we're not drunk, so we have this real connection. Yeah?
Right.
Putain. En fait, mais
So this
la
is one of
réponse
those
que tu choisis
situations
là,
where she could
c'est
see
pas
it
vraiment
as
ce qu'il lui
either
dit.
Weird and something that shouldn't happen, or if you paint it as something cool and spontaneous and interesting and different and happening for the right reasons, then she's more likely to see it that way too. But if you kind of let the doubt go too long, then she might just say, "This is weird. What are we doing?"
Yeah, you need to be confident with your actions for sure.
Ah. Bon bah les gars. Attends, tu sais attendre un peu, je vais prendre un graille. Mais dépêche-toi, tu vas tout louper, Pépé, tu vas louper le moment. Le mec, il part au pire moment. C'est le mec qui va pisser au cinéma. Il va pisser au cinéma quand il y a de l'action. Partir B sans hésiter. Ah, on voit les queutards. Bah grave, Pépé, putain, t'abuses. Je suis sûr qu'il est parti, hein. Il retourne vers la blonde. Mais non, la blonde, elle était relou, putain, à parler de ses... Je sais même plus de quoi nous parler. Elle m'a saoulé. Le but, c'était d'avoir du sexe. Là, on y est, les gars. Là, on y est. Ça se trouve, elle a une tub. Ouais, mais si on part, on le saura jamais. Putain, mais ce compte Pépé, là... Le choix est bizarre. J'avoue, en plus, t'es chez toi. Tu sais, genre... Ouais, non, je me casse. Mais t'es chez toi. Non, je pense qu'on va coucher avec elle. Après, s'il faut, elle va nous mettre un râteau. Bon, et si Pépé il est pas là dans 1 minute, on fait le choix. Non, tu choisis pour elle et pas pour lui si tu lis bien. Ah, choisir pour Marina, d'accord. Hein? Bah non, mais c'est mal traduit, je pense. C'est mal traduit, je pense. Donc on est une meuf. Non, mais c'est juste mal traduit. On a des longs veuches. Bah Jax, il a des longs veuches. C'est tout. C'est pas... C'est un bonhomme. C'est Costas Mitroglou. Faut foncer quand t'as des brèches. Exactement, Adou. Ouais, bon, bah tant pis pour Pépé. Hein. Tant pis pour Pépé, les gars. Ah, c'est bon, il est de retour. Ah, c'est bon, il est en train de remonter.
Nice one. Obviously the perfect choice. Best choice in the game. Well done. Thank you.
Le meilleur choix du jeu.
Great, yes. Well, it's absolutely a woman's prerogative. Whatever you choose, as long as it's your decision and you're happy with it, that's great.
Putain, résultat Casanova. Oh là là.
This is a nice way to start because if you catch her attention before you actually walk
Ça y est,
up,
les gars.
she has a chance to kind of get used to the
Genre,
fact
il y a
that
un mec
you're
qui a
gonna
mis
be talking
partir.
to her, and
Bah, tu
if
sais, le
you
mec
kind
pas
of
sûr de
just
lui,
walk
quoi.
up and she hasn't
Il a mis
noticed
partir,
you,
lui.
it's a bit of a surprise when you suddenly start talking.
Les homos.
It's
Ouais,
a
mais les
better
homos,
way
ils
when
jouent
you
pas à ce
can
jeu.
do it.
Yeah, I think it's also a little bit romantic. What is the latest or earliest time that I can have champagne?
Quel tombeur. On a réussi, les gars. On a baisé. On a baisé, les gars.
But if a guy came to
Bon, il est
sit
quelle
with
heure?
you,
Il est
would you buy
3h25.
champagne?
No, but if he
Il est
offered me a glass of
3h25. On va
champagne
couper
at
la VOD là.
5:30 in the evening, that's quite romantic.
Au revoir la VOD.
Or just a